In this short video, I will show you how I use the Yoast Seo plugin for WordPress to drive free organic traffic to my affiliate marketing offers. What's up YouTubers, Amar here, and basically I want to make money with affiliate marketing, so I need to drive a maximum of targeted visitors to my affiliate links. So here is exactly what I do. Two main steps. The first one, I put my affiliate offer links or ads on the sidebar of my WordPress website and also on the header. So there are banners that are shown on the header, and this banner is rotating all the time, and banners on the sidebar of the blog. There are also, in other posts, I put some ads within the content itself. So this is the first thing that I do. The second thing is to come up with high quality content and publish it on my blog. Now, why high quality content? That's because content is king, and the more quality content you put out there, the more people you will attract to your business. And since people are searching on Google or any other search engine for high quality content to answer their questions or to resolve their problems, I will be giving Google or the other search engines some good content to index and present to the searchers. So once I have the content, I will optimize it using the Yoast Seo plugin. I optimize it for the search engines, and then I will publish it on my website. I will share that blog post on social media and many other platforms. So here is exactly how this is done. So first thing to do is to install the Yoast Seo plugin on your WordPress website, and for that you need to go to the menu that says plugins and then add new. Once on this page you type the keyword here SEO or Yoast Seo, and you will see the plugin here at the top. It says Yoast Seo. So it's already installed on this website, but you will see here install and then activate. I'm sure you can do that. It's very easy. Now once it's done, if you go to your posts on your website, you click here on posts, you will see all the posts that you already published, and you can see at the right hand side here these indications of the Yoast Seo plugin, meaning that the optimization for the search engines is green, so that's good, and the readability also is good. But if we want to see more details about this, we click on edit the article here, and we will just assume that this is a brand new article that we just pasted in our WordPress editor here. So to see more details about the results of the Yoast Seo, you need to go all the way down on the article, and then you will see this widget here giving you more details. And basically what I want to do is have both of these green. So if you pick the SEO tab first, well, you'll have to enter the key phrase or the focus key phrase that you are targeting, and then you go down here to analysis, and then you will see the details. So I have outbound links, I have internal links, I have key phrase in the introduction, I have images, I have the good text length, etc. So you will be working on these points here one by one until you make them all green. This one here is still red because it's the key phrase density. I don't have enough key phrases in the article, and I need to add more of them. But basically this is what needs to be done. If you install the Yoast SEO plugin, you can put your content here in the editor, and then you come down here and you start making these bullet points, all of them, making them green. And if you do not understand what it means here, something means here, all you have to do is actually click on it. It will take you to the Yoast SEO website and it will explain what's that. So here it says what is key phrase density and why it is important. So if you read here, you will learn exactly what needs to be done and benefit your website rankings on Google. So this is the point number 1, and which is installing the Yoast SEO plugin on your WordPress site and making sure that every time you post an article or you post something on your blog, you make sure that it says green for both readability and search engine optimization. And then imagine putting on your website like post after post after post, and you will have a big number of posts that are optimized for the search engines. You will definitely receive a lot of targeted traffic to your website. Now here is how that same article looks like in the front end on the website. So this is the title, and you can see that the key phrase is in the article. I have a video that I embedded here that I made for this same article, and also you can see that there are images, and the article is optimized for reading. There are headlines, subheadlines, paragraphs, etc. So this is how you can do this, so that Google will index the article and present it to people who are searching to make money with PLR content. Now the second question is, where do I come up with high quality content? Well, I personally use the PLR, private label rights content, because I buy that product, and 99% of these products here will allow you to use the content on your website, on your blog. But before doing this, you need to read the license and make sure that you can do that. And after that, you don't just go ahead and copy and paste the content from the PLR product to your website. You need to restructure it. You need to mix multiple PLR sources on the same article. You need to add your own images. You need to add your own video if you have. But if you don't have, you can just go ahead and put your own words, like you're telling a story, put your own style on the paragraph, and then optimize it for the search engines. So here is an example. If I click on this banner here, there is an offer that I made here. There is a product called actually eBooks Goldmine, which gives you access to multiple ebooks of high quality that you can use, that you can resell, that you can use on your blogs, that you can use in multiple ways to make money. And what I did is that I am offering bonuses for those who purchase the offer here from my affiliate link. So I'm giving product number 1, 333 premium products, unrestricted PLR rights. This is another bonus that I'm offering for free, and this is a third bonus that I'm offering also for free for those who take this offer from my affiliate link down here. So if I click here, that was my affiliate link. It will be a great support if you grab the offer from there. And you can see that this is actually a high quality offer. It will give you access to all these ebooks, like these ebooks here, and they are quality ebooks, and also there are multiple bonuses by the vendor here. So if you take this offer, you will be able to resell all these materials. You will be able to publish content on your blog, and you will be able also to optimize them for the search engines, and that's the most important thing in order to get targeted visitors to your website. So this was it, guys, about these two steps, optimizing your content using Yoast SEO plugin and coming up with high quality content using PLR products. I will see you on the next video.